How to buy cryptocurrency. The transaction process on the Bit.team website. Go to the Buy section. You can set a filter in order to reduce the number of ads to choose from. We are looking for an online user who is satisfied with the conditions for the payment method, price and limits for us. We will buy cryptocurrency from him. Click the Buy link. After that, we get to the page of the transaction itself. Here you can view the rating and reviews by clicking on the user's login. If everything suits you, go to the transaction page and specify the amount to be sent or the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. Pay attention to the fee and the resulting total. Send a request for a deal. Now we are waiting for the confirmation of the seller himself. If you want to cancel the transaction, you can do it by clicking on the corresponding link. Now we are waiting for the user to confirm this transaction. A notification about the beginning of the transaction will be sent to your email or the page will be updated. This means that the seller has confirmed the beginning of the transaction. On the page there are details to which you need to send funds. You need to send money from the card that is specified in the seller's terms and conditions and then click Paid. As soon as the specified amount is sent to the seller's card, click I paid and confirm that you have fulfilled all the terms of the transaction. If you have any questions to the seller, you can ask them in the chart that is present on this page. Now we are waiting for confirmation from the user that he has received the sent funds. If for some reason the user does not confirm the transaction, a dispute on this transaction can be opened after 60 minutes. The Bit.team platform acts as a guarantor of the transaction. If something happened during the transaction, the platform will sort it all out. We see that the user has confirmed the receipt of funds and unlocked the coins. Now the balance of our personal account has been replenished with the amount that we purchased. This can also be viewed in the history section. If you have any additional questions, go to the FAQ section at the bottom of the page. Here you can see the instructions for the site.